Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I got two big packages, so I felt like I could make a video with this. And I've never really done a haul video before, I don't think. But I've always wanted to do one, so I'm doing one today. This pocket knife is going to be a guest star in any of my package videos. I'm going to open the big one first. I don't know why, it's just always been a known thing that you're supposed to like open the smallest gifts first and then the biggest one last, which is normally what I would do. But there's a bunch of gifts in one big bag. It always takes Shein about 2 weeks to deliver stuff to where I live. I usually forget what I ordered. So first thing we have here is a simple style water bottle. You guys. Oh my gosh. Yes. So adorable. So it's a hard plastic bottle. It has a unicorn on it and Kira has a unicorn plate. This is gonna go so cute with it. I actually got two of them. So since we're opening up baby bottles, I'm gonna open up this other baby bottle that I got. This is a taller one so it can fit a lot more milk in it. So this will like last a while. But look how cute this is. It's just a pink bottle. This is a baby plate and it's got Kira's name on it. I love this. It turned out so well. Shein does a bunch of customizable things for just about anything and for a really good price. So the next thing I got were these 3 spoons that actually match the plate set. I freaking love these. These were $1 a piece, you guys. You cannot beat that. See, it goes perfectly with her plate set. So this is a bottle holder. I can just stick this on any one of her regular bottles. I just got one because you only really need one. So you just slide this thing on and then she's got handles and she can grip onto it. Next thing I got Kira is this adorable little elephant. It's actually for the bath and it sprays like a shower head. And that's why it's dangerous for me to get on Shein because everything is so cheap. I just want to buy everything. It's like a huge online dollar store or a Five Below. Like everything's really cheap, but also like really cute. And there's a lot of good quality stuff on Shein. Next, I got her this adorable little pink sponge for the bath. And I just thought these would pair up so cute together for bath time. Kira loves taking baths. She just kicks her feet with the water and splashes everywhere. She has this little rubber ducky that she likes to chew on because she's teething. Next, we have... It's a full coverage all the way over the front bib, so it'll catch everything in the pouch here and it covers up her whole entire front area because all those little bibs that she has, don't even worry about it, it's gonna be all over her clothes. So this is perfect and look at the design, look at the little bunnies. It's so precious. And it's made out of like this plasticky mesh material, so it probably won't stain very easily. Of course I say that, if there's like some spaghetti sauce on this thing, it's done. So this is one of the bibs that I got. This is the other one. You guys, I cannot. Look at these Care Bears on the bib. Oh my gosh. Because Shein is partnered with Care Bears right now, which is really cool. So they have a lot of baby Care Bear stuff, which is adorable. I like that it looks like the old school Care Bears and not like the new age Care Bears. The classic characters are so cute. I grew up watching them. I thought this would be a perfect little bib for Kira. Next thing I have here is this little teething toy. So this has a bunch of little pastel fruits. We have this adorable little strawberry. It looks like it should be a lemon, but I don't actually know what this fruit is. It looks like it could be grapes. Yeah, I guess it's probably grapes. It's like yellow grapes, I think. Next, it comes with this cute little plum. And then it goes together on this little ring just like this. And they're nice and floppy, so they're not super hard. That's what I don't like about a lot of the teething toys, is they're really like hard. I think it's supposed to have like a little bit of a chew to it of some sort. When I saw this on Shein, I was like, I have to get this. It looks like a bottle, so it's like a pacifier slash teether, which is like a double whammy. And it's got these cute little sound making buttons, little rings on it. It even came with an instruction manual in English. I'm impressed. So the last few things in this bag are actually things I got for myself. This is a beautiful phone case. It's very sparkly, very Easter. $3 phone case, guys. It actually feels a lot sturdier than I thought it would. Some of the earlier cases that I got, they were really flimsy. This one's actually not bending, so I'm impressed. Next thing I got for myself. Oh my gosh, this turned out so good. I got a custom wood brush. This looks really high quality. I really wanted a wooden brush because my hair has been falling out like crazy. Oh wow, this is really brushing my hair good. You see this, guys? This is advertisement right here. Look at how well this is brushing my hair. Wow. I mean, that just glides through my hair. That is really nice. I'm so impressed with this. If you guys like this hairbrush or want one just like it, it's actually heavy too. It feels like it's really like a good quality brush. If you are interested in this hairbrush and would like to get one of your own or anything else in this video actually, just let me know and I'll see if I can get you the link for it. Next random thing I got. I have a griddle and I needed a spatula that would help clean the griddle. This is a perfect griddle spatula and this is exactly what I needed. Look at this thing. I'm about to be flipping pancakes up in here. Up in the air, flipping them upside down. Just so you know, if you don't have a griddle, get yourself a griddle because they will change your life. Last random thing I got in this bag are these disposable / also reusable eyebrow trimmers because no lady wants to be without eyebrow trimmers, and it came in a pack of 4. That's everything for that bag. Without delay, let's open up the next one. If you guys came here in hopes that you would see some baby Easter clothing, then your prayers have been answered. Your time has come. You are about to see some really cute baby Easter clothes. So first things first, oh my gosh. It's an iridescent purple dress. It looks just like the pictures. Everything's iridescent. Front to back. Yes. We even got the iridescent bow. This looks like it's gonna fit her for a while. So I'm really excited about this. Next thing we have. Oh my gosh. Are you guys ready for this? My first Easter. So cute. Oh my goodness. But the best part, you guys, the best part is the pants. You're gonna die. Kira, are you ready for this? Peeps leggings. The flared leg with the little pink ruffle at the bottom and the bow in the front. The pastel colors. This is the ideal baby Easter outfit. I absolutely love it, including this adorable little bow that it comes with. No outfit is complete without some shoes to match. They have the little pom-pom bunny tails on the back. The detail is there, you guys. It is there. I got myself these adorable nails. They're so fancy. I love the fact that I can do my nails, but instead of spending a bunch of money to get my nails done, I just went on Shein and found these. These really are very well made. Some of the Shein nails are like the cheap ones that you find at the dollar store. These ones specifically are not those. That's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed this Shein haul as much as I did. I absolutely love getting baby stuff. I get so excited about it. So I definitely had fun, and I hope that you had fun too. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!